Hey there, hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete overview of our review and rating add-on for Cleanly. This add-on allows customers to rate services, leave detailed reviews, and share their experience directly on your website. Once you activate the add-on, go to the Settings page to configure the review options. Inside the review settings, you will see a switcher option. Make sure to enable this option so the review feature becomes available on the customer dashboard. Next, under the Showcase Review section, you'll find two shortcodes. You can use these shortcodes to display customer reviews on any specific page of your website. Moving on to the Review Settings section, here you can set the rating scale, for example, out of 5, and choose whether to enable or disable the review title. Then, under Display Settings, you'll find several options that can be enabled or disabled depending on your preference. After adjusting everything, click Save Changes to update your settings. After the settings are configured, users will be able to submit a review once they complete their booking. To demonstrate this, I'm now on the user dashboard for a user named Raghib Hassan. I'll go ahead and create a new booking by selecting a service, choosing an appointment date and time, selecting the booking type, and confirming the booking. Once the booking is successfully completed, in the user dashboard, under the Orders menu, the user will now see the latest order along with a link to submit feedback. For previous bookings where a review was already given, the user will see an option to update feedback. Clicking the Give Your Review link opens the review submission form. The user can see their order details and submit a review title, rating, and detailed feedback. Once the form is submitted, the review is successfully recorded. Inside the admin dashboard, under the Review menu, you can view all submitted reviews. Here you'll also find the latest review that the customer has provided. Hopefully this walkthrough helped you understand how the review and rating add-on for Cleanly works from both the admin and user perspectives. Thank you so much for watching.